We started with REHAU roughly coming up to 2 years ago. We approached them because of the U value that they can attain with the window. We were set a task by one of the housing associations that we work with. We do a lot of work on SHDF and for net zero, and they asked us to find a window that could attain 0.8. I spoke to a guy called Luke Boban, who worked for REHAU. From then onwards, it was non-stop. We just went into manufacturing straight away.
REHAU have been crucial to our success. Without the REHAU profile, we wouldn't have got to where we are now.
Lutley were brand new to fabricating. They were very well established in the window industry, but in terms of fabricating, they were new to it. So we came in and we showed them how to produce a window from the bar length profile all the way through to the end. When a fabricator decides that it is going to make the windows, as Lutley have, they can buy generic sort of machinery throughout the industry, but the tooling that is adapted to that machinery needs to be specific for the profile. So what REHAU do then is that we will help come in and ensure that the tooling that we are going to produce for them is correct. We'll make that, quote that, and pay for that from a REHAU perspective. And that then is adapted to suit the needs of Lutley.
We can't express how well they've looked after us, to be fair. We appreciate we're only a small manufacturing company here. We feel like we're one of their main customers, even though we're only a small size.
We had our engineer, Paul Bateman, come into site and he helped produce the windows, showed them how the standards REHAU produce are, and to make sure that they were in line with what we would expect into the marketplace.
We can achieve the 0.8 U value with triple glazing using the centre pane value of the triple glazing. So that comes in at 0.5, and then when it attains to the window, we can achieve the 0.8. One of the key reasons that REHAU can still achieve this 0.8 U value when added to the glass is the fact that they didn't reduce the thickness of the profile like a lot of other companies do.
We have some future plans coming up with a new product that we're looking to launch this year. It's a thermally efficient trim. This can be retrofitted to any window inside. We're looking to also make available a product that can be fitted on the external walls as well. Now, this trim will solve the problem around the windows of damp and mould by eliminating the cold spot that is prevalent around most windows that are out there currently, particularly on solid brick houses. It dissipates the cold spot that you get around those windows and moves it further away. This then stops the condensation you get around the window, which contributes to the black spot mould forming.
Lutley are interesting because they're a new business to fabricating, but they're rapidly expanding as well. We have weekly meetings where we talk about contracts they've won and how we can support them in that. We continue to support them at trade fairs and the likes to ensure that their brand is reaching a wider audience.
The support we get from REHAU ongoing has been phenomenal, from their marketing to their sales guys. They try and make a partnership with us rather than a customer-supplier relationship.
Social housing has got to hit net zero by 2050, so triple glazing is going to be imperative to that, and Lutley are very well placed to set us on that course.
Our future plans with the triple glazing is literally to get involved with all the retrofit that's going.
So with REHAU, they do provide us with a label that can be applied to our windows. This label sort of identifies the make of the window, glass sizes, etc. So for example, if they had a broken unit in one of the windows, they could log onto the app, find that window, it will tell them exactly the size of the glass required. We don't need to send an engineer. We save time. They can tell us the size of and spec of the glass that we used. We can manufacture it and be out and replace it next day if possible.
The advice I'd give to a fabricator thinking of switching over to REHAU would be nice and simple, and that would be just go for it. We're a very well established brand and we've got a great support network.
My advice to give a fabricator, if they want to switch over to REHAU, would just do it. Literally just do it. You'll get all the support you need.